Good evening, everyone. Kartikeya Sharma Rajya Sabha MP birthday was celebrated with the enthusiasm today at Nutan Brahman Sabha Shyam Mandir Hira Chowk Charkhi Dadri. On this occasion, the Sabha members and local citizens organized a havan and distributed sweets and as a prasad. The function was presided over by Sasikant Sharma, who wished MP Kartikeya Sharma a bright future and good health. On this occasion, all present conveyed their best wishes to Kartikeya Sharma and praised his leadership. During the event, the people present appreciated the contribution of MP Kartikeya Sharma in social and public service and wished him a long life. The event was a symbol of unity and social cooperation of the local community, in which people of all age groups participated enthusiastically.
आज हमारे सम्मानित सांसद श्री कार्तिकेय जी शर्मा जी का जन्मदिवस है। उसके उपलक्ष्य में उसकी दीर्घायु कामना करते हुए हमारी सभा पर समस्त समाज उनकी दीर्घायु की भगवान से कामना करता है और हम भगवान से ही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वो दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करें, वह लंबी आयु भगवान को प्रदान करें।
आज नूतन ब्राह्मण सभा और समस्त समाज चरखी दादरी के द्वारा आज भाई कार्तिकेय हम सब के लाडले इनके जन्मदिन के अवसर पर आज ग्रामवासियों द्वारा क्षेत्रवासियों द्वारा आज बहुत अच्छे कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। इस कड़ी में आज हवन का सबसे पहले आयोजन किया और उसके बाद में प्रसाद के रूप में मिठाइयाँ बांटी गई। जय दादा परशुराम।
Final publication of voter list for Panchayat Raj institutions by election 2025. For the purpose of Panchayat Raj institutions by election 2025, ward-wise voter list has been prepared and final publication of voter list has been done for by election in the district as per rule. It of Haryana Panchayat Raj Elections Rules 1994, the spokesperson said that ward-wise voter list has been prepared and final publication of voter list has been done for by election of Gram Panchayat of Block Bond and Jojo of the district. He said that any person can see the voter list at Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officer, Panchayat Office, concerned Block Development and Panchayat Officer Office, concerned Gram Panchayat Secretary as well as on the district website charkhidadri.gov.in. Training camp today at Mini Secretariat to become civil defense volunteer. Become a civil defense volunteer and play your role in dealing with disaster Charkhi Dadri. To ensure citizen participation with the district administration in dealing with emergency situations, the district residents should come forward to become civil defense volunteers. Youth of the district, ex-servicemen, health workers, and citizens interested in under social workers can register themselves for civil defense volunteer on mybharat.gov.in. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma appealed to the people of the district and said that a training camp will be organized at 10 a.m. today in the ground of the Mini Secretariat complex, in which registration can also be done. He said that in this camp, registered volunteers will also be taught to train and manage relief, rescue, and under necessary works. District residents should register online and reach this mega camp and get training. He said that become a civil defense volunteer is an important responsibility. Civil defense volunteers selflessly fulfill their responsibilities in relief and review works during any disaster. He said that along with the experienced people, youth also have significant role in civil defense in such a situation. The district residents should enthusiastically play their part in this noble campaign. Officials should ensure cleaning of drains and sewers before rainy season. There will be monitoring. Strict action will be taken in case of negligence. Charkhi water logging should not occur in the district in the upcoming rainy season. The concerned department should ensure cleaning of all drains before monsoon and pre-monsoon. This work will also be monitored. If any negligence is found anywhere, strict action will be taken. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has issued instructions to the concerned departments and said that as per the orders of Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, steps should be taken in a planned manner to avoid water logging in the district during rainy season, and at the same time cleaning of all the main drains and drainage systems of the district should be ensured. The Chief Minister himself is continuously monitoring this work. Strict action will be taken against the concerned officer in case of negligence. He said that a meeting will be held at the district level for continuous review of this work. He gave strict orders to the officers to ensure that all the drains and sewers of the city are cleaned so that the city residents do not have to face the problem of water logging in the upcoming rainy season. The concerned department should ensure to do this work by coordinating with each other so that the drains and sewers can be cleaned as soon as possible. Also, geotagged photos and videos of the officers should be ensured while cleaning the drains. The public representatives of the area where the cleaning work is going on should also be informed so that the public representatives can review the work at their level. Narco and identified crime. A meeting of the district level identified crime narco committee was held under the chairmanship of CTM Jitendra Kumar. He instructed the department's heads to do all the work related to the department promptly. Officers of various departments, including members of the district level committee, were present in the meeting. He instructed that along with speeding up the investigation of serious crimes registered in the district, the cases should be investigated thoroughly and impartially, and punishment of criminals should be ensured within the ambit of law so that the victims can get justice as soon as possible. Criminal cases falling under identified crime were also discussed in the meeting. In the meeting, detailed information was given about the progress of action taken in the cases registered under various sections. He instructed the officials of the concerned departments to make Dadri a drug-free district and take action to crack down on drug trade and drug sellers in the district. He said that serious effort should be made by the district judicial office in the direction of identified crime. Police officials told in the meeting that police is paying special attention to eradicate the drug trade from the district. All police personnel have been instructed to the checking on the roads as well as checkpoints, and if drugs are found, then a case should be made for strict action against them. He said that the district police is serious even in the case of identified crimes and workers to ensure that the criminals get the harshest punishment. School buses were child under the safe vehicles policy. School operators should follow the rules of the safe vehicle policy. During the today visit of the district by the members of the Haryana State Rights and Protection Commission, a meeting was held with various stakeholders of the district at the District Child Protection Office today. On the first day in the meeting, a review meeting was held by the honorable members about the discussion held in the last meeting on child beggars and de-addiction. The main objectives of today's meeting were to discuss the record of school buildings, cleanliness and fire safety, school bag policy 2020 and safe school vehicle policy. In the meeting, the member of the commission, Honorable Meena Kumari, provided information about the school bag policy 2020. She explained in detail that the school bag policy 2020 has been implemented in Haryana. School will be responsible if the weight of the students' bags is more. The education department has fixed the weight limit. The weight of the bag should be 1.5 kg for the first class and 5 kg for the 10th. Under member of the commission, Honorable Mangiram expressed his views about the safe school vehicle policy. He told that all educational institutions will have to work according to the guidelines and rules of the safe vehicle policy. Under the safe vehicle policy, first aid kit should be installed in the school bus. It is necessary to have a lady attendant while boarding and deboarding the children in the bus. Regarding the homework of children, District Child Protection Officer Neil Kamal briefly told that children should be given homework according to their level. Chairperson Mrs. Silpa Maria from District Child Welfare Committee, Manju Protection Officer from District Child Protection Office, Roshan Lal Social Worker, Usha Soni and Vikas Sangwan, all block education officers from Education Department, Child Welfare Committee members, RTA employees and employees of Anti-Human Trafficking Unit were present in the meeting. So, on the second day, the commission, with the cooperation of district administration, conducted a surprise inspection of two schools of the district's bound block under the safe vehicle policy, in which 8 buses of both the school were child on the spot by the RTA team due to non-fulfillment of the standard parameters of the safe vehicle policy. On this occasion, Child Welfare Committee Chairperson, Mrs. Silpi Madia, District Child Protection Officer Neil Kamal. So friends, thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, Please subscribe our channel PPT News. So take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, जय भारत, take care.